In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder labels in Gmail. Have you ever found yourself scrolling through an endless list of labels trying to find that one important label you need right away? Well, there's a simple way to organize and customize your Gmail labels to suit your preferences, and that's exactly what we'll cover today. First, you'll need to access your Gmail account. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where your labels are listed. Gmail does a fantastic job at helping you manage your emails by organizing them into these labels. But sometimes the order doesn't quite match our priorities or usage habits. To get started on reordering your labels, look closely at the list for the word label. While it may not be explicitly labeled as such, this area is generally where your different categories, like inbox, sent, drafts, and any personalized labels you've created reside. Once you've located your list, identify the label you want to move. Hover your mouse over this label, and you'll notice a down arrow, or sometimes 3 dots will appear next to it. Clicking on this will give you a few options. What you want to do is select Edit. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to alter the label's name in a way that affects its position in the list. To reorder your labels, here's a simple trick. Add a number, letter, or even a combination of both at the beginning of the label name. This clever renaming tactic uses alphanumeric characters to override the default alphabetic sorting method in Gmail. For example, if you want a label named Work to always appear at the top of your list, you could rename it to something like A Work or One Work. This renaming will make sure it jumps ahead of other labels in the alphabetical queue. After you've adjusted the label name to your liking, don't forget to click Save. It's a crucial step to ensure your changes take effect immediately. Once saved, you should see that the label has moved to its new position in the list. And there you have it, a straightforward way to reorganize your Gmail labels to match your personal workflow. This method is not only helpful for bringing your most frequently accessed labels to the top, but also fantastic for decluttering your Gmail interface. Remember, a well-organized email can save you a lot of time and frustration in the long run, especially during those busy workdays. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope this little Gmail hack helps make your email experience much more efficient. Feel free to give it a try and tweak it according to your needs. Until next time, keep organizing and make your tech work for you.